Hello, my K-Prep friends. Today I wanted to do something a little different, and it's going to require some cardboard, you know, stuff that cereal boxes come in and stuff, and some scissors, although not the best pair of scissors to use, but that's okay, and perhaps a marker. I only have one color, but that's okay. So today, what we're going to make is a cat mask. Why a cat mask? Because it's got a couple of shapes I want you guys to practice and using scissors. So the first thing that you guys are going to need to do, and parents please feel free to help out, is cutting the cardboard box. So you guys are going to need one sheet of cardboard, okay? So I'm cutting my box here. Not the easiest thing to do. So even if you guys want to rip the box, that's okay. Because cardboard isn't like paper. It's a little tricky to kind of maneuver when you are cutting it. Plus, I don't want you guys to get cardboard cuts. Those hurt a lot. Oh, you guys remember from before, that's Mittens, that's my cat, she's walking in. After you get your sheet of cardboard, like so, okay, ooh, perfect. Now we want to try to make this into the shape of a circle, but the easiest way to do that is to draw the circle. Alright, so what we're going to do is take this cardboard, we're going to make a big old circle on here, okay? See this? It's a square. It's not. I know. So now that we have our circle, we're going to try to cut this out, okay? Because this is going to be part of our cat mask. And it's okay if your square is too big, because what can happen is you can redraw on it and make it a little smaller. So we can cut our circle, and it's okay if you don't go all the way on the lines. It can happen sometimes. But my circle is going to be a little small, just so that you guys can see. You don't have to make it too big. So now that I have my circle, right, what I'm going to do is start drawing my cat face. And how we do that is very simple. So remember, this is our little canvas. So our mask isn't going to be this big. It's actually a little too small, but that's okay. First, we're going to start by drawing another circle. Who would have known? Like this. All right, and now this is going to be the cat's face. So what we want to do is we want to put maybe, let's say, 6 whiskers. But where would you guys put the 6 whiskers? Would you put them all on one side? Would you put them on top of the cat's head? Would you put them on its chin? Because I'm going to put my 6 whiskers on the side, and I'm going to even them up. So 1, 2, 3 over here. 1, 2, 3 over here. All right. So now that we have our 6 lines, we want to draw 2 triangles. That's going to be our, well, I don't have those, but our ears. So we're going to do 1 triangle on top, 2 triangle on top. Ta-da! Right? But we're not done. So now what we can do is draw 2 more lines, or you can make your eyeballs however you want. I like to put little lines as my eyeballs. You can draw circles. It's up to you. So my eyeballs are usually 1, 2. You can put like the number 1 there, or straight lines, however you want to think of it. All right? Cool. And what I like to do is I like to turn my paper or my mask around and write the number 3 to make a mouth. Ta-da! So the next thing you guys would need is maybe some kind of toothpick, or if you have glue would be great, because you can put it on a stick and you can wear it like this. But I don't have glue, so that's okay. But yeah, so here's our little cat mask. Really quick and simple to do. If you guys want to color your cat, maybe you want to make it a purple cat, or maybe a blue cat, or maybe a... Wait, hold on. Wait, give me a second. Maybe a gray cat like Mittens. Ta-da! You never know. So, hope you guys have fun. Show me your masks. Show your friends the masks. And I hope you guys had a great time. Thank you, Mittens. Bye-bye.